it's definitely giving braids. Welcome back to my channel. So today in this video, girl, I got a new wig to share with you. Now this one's from the Braid Factory ng.com. This is how it comes. Now I will have their direct link down below so that you can check it out should you be interested in today's wig, along with all of their other social media platforms. Now this wig, girl, when they reached out to me to send me this beauty, I was like, girl, yes, I have to have this unit. This unit looked like it would just be so me. Y'all know I love my braided style wigs. I just love braids, period, girl. I love braids. But let's just go ahead and get into this unit. I cannot wait to show you this one because it's just so pretty. Now these are handmade. Handmade with love is what the sticker says. Now let's go ahead and get into the cap construction. Now girl, this is a lot of hair. OMG. This might be a little more hair than I bargained for. This is a lot of hair. But let me show you the cap construction. This is what it looks like. And it looks like the braids are kind of stitched to the cap, which is why it's so densely packed. Let me let you see how the cap looks. Okay, so just think a whole bunch of braids just attached to this cap, just like this. Girl, this was a lot of work and a lot of braids. Did I say a lot of braids? OMG, look at all these braids, girl. Now let's get into the lace portion here, as you have a middle part situation. So this one's going to be super easy for us girls who likes a wig with no mess, no fuss. We just take it out of the pack and just put it on. You do have a sliver, just a sliver of lace right here down the front. You do have this braid here for baby heels. Okay, I'm gonna let it stay braided until we get it on. So let's just go ahead and put it on. Now it did come with an additional piece of elastic band so that you can make it tighter should you need to, but this one's kind of stretchy. So I got a good feeling about this. I feel like this is going to fit my head just fine, just like this. I won't have to put in any extra band to it. But yeah, girl, let's just go ahead and see how this looks on the head. Well, I don't know. Y'all know I got a big head. This just went on perfectly, comfortably. No pain, no gain, none of that. But it's just a whole bunch of hair though. So much hair. I'm just looking in the mirror. Oh, whoa. It's a lot of hair. It's a lot of hair. I just feel like it's just a little overzealous with the hair, but nonetheless it is beautiful. But I love the part. Looks nice. I am gonna thin out this wig though. I'm gonna take some of these braids out, though I like a full unit. But girl, this one is giving us super fullness. That's one thing we don't have to be worried about, is our wig being skimpy, because girl, it is volumized. This is a lot of hair. I mean, yeah, it's nice. Let me show you how long it is. It's waist length, so I would give this about 32 inches. But like I said, I'll have all the information down below in the description box, so don't skip over it. But yeah, she is giving. She is definitely giving. Let's go ahead and cut the lace. But on a unit like this, I'm gonna be honest, I really wouldn't be interested in having baby hairs, honey. With something like this, when the braids are this nice and neat. You don't really need baby hairs. You want the braids to be the main focus. I just feel like I just got so much volume on the sides. Girl, it's definitely giving braids. Yeah. Since we didn't need all of that, we just cut it. So let's not waste any time with it. We can actually give it another snip. Because who are we fooling? We don't want that much baby hair. Okay, 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 okay. We might just pluck some of that out, but nonetheless, I'm gonna go ahead and cut my little sliver of lace, and then I'm gonna get her perfectly positioned the way I would rock this, and I would be right back. Okay, now I have that. Now we're gonna play with that baby hair section there. But I think for me, I'm just gonna pluck it out and be done. Okay, so now that I have the unit on and the baby hairs doing something, I have them laid, but I think I would like this unit a little more without the baby hair. So I'm gonna take those and cut those, pluck those, cut them out, do away with them completely. But nonetheless, the style of the wig is absolutely gorgeous. The hair is beautiful. Like I said, it's just a little thicker than I'd want it to be, but nonetheless, the craftsmanship and the quality of the wig is definitely there. This is definitely a beautiful unit. Let me show you the length if I haven't. This is definitely a waist length unit. Comes all the way down to the waist, okay? Super long, super nice. Love, love, love. Absolutely beautiful braided unit. You can do a lot with this because it has so much hair in it. You can style it in so many different ways. I do love that about it. Super nice, super nice. Uh-oh. Let me be mindful of the band around the front. But yes, girl, she is a cutie. Love, love, love. So we can pull it back and do some cute braids along the perimeter, but nonetheless, very, very nice. So be sure to check out braidfactoryng.com, as I will have all of their information down below, girl. Okay. But I'm definitely feeling this one. I just think I like this one better without the baby heels. Okay. Yes. Push it through braids. Yes. But yeah, this is definitely a lot of hair. Be sure you let me know what you think of today's unit. Could you see yourself rocking this braided unit? Is it a no or is it a go? Let me know what you think down below in the description box. Until next time, I will see you in my next video, and there will definitely be another video. Bye.